Hi, my name is Juan Andrés Núñez Casanova. I chose the first topic, so I am going to talk about Angelina Jolie. Angelina was born in LA in 1976. She loved movies and started acting classes to follow her dream. She is a person who really likes helping other people. She believes people are important and we cannot ignore them if they are suffering. During her career, she received wide recognition for her humanitarian work. She became the first winner of the Youngest Citizen of the World Award. Angelina did not just act but also she did humanitarian work. She visited refugee camps in poor countries. She donated money to help the underprivileged people. In addition, she won an Oscar. Her 2001 role as Lara Croft in the blockbuster Tomb Raider showed her to international fame. On the other hand, her life was a little difficult because of the importance people gave to her relationship in terms of the humanity world. Thank you.